Yes, the field trucks for Southern States 111. Here we go. So Desperado on 20th anniversary Avenger. Me, Mushroom Top Talk. This defending champion Zombie fight with his teammate Mustamas Grover. So X-Ray Gunslinger and Blacksmith it's Jacoby inside Background Dragonoid. Max D it's Cookie Monster inside Iron Outlaw and Monster My Red Roller. Myth Gamer inside Torque Terror and Black Total Loco. Scrap inside Gravedigger Northern Nightmare. Monster Jam Freaks inside Team Mints and Dragon Eyes. Monster Jam inside of Abysmal and Cyclops. Mushroom Clitter Racing inside Bulldozer and Militia. Mushroom Dallas and inside Silver Series Square Legends and Blackout Monster Mode Mission. Austin Sports 13. Last year fields for Field Trucks Time Series 111. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.